Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have come up with this golden and black eyeshadow look. This is also requested by one of my friend and I am really liking it. This is so gorgeous. I hope that you will enjoy watching it. So let's get started. So I am starting my eye look by Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I am blending it well on my lid using my fingertips to create the base for my eyeshadow. Next, I have taken this matte maroon color, and this is from PAC. The number is 10. I have broken this color, so I'm not sure about the number. I guess this is 10, and I am applying it on the outer corner of my eye with a fluffy brush, and then I'm taking it to the inner corner gently. And I am using this color as the transition color for this look. So I'm blending it well. Now I have taken this black color. This is from my MAC palette, and I am applying it on the outer corner of my eye and then slowly dragging it towards my inner corner. And this is the color of my crease line. I am blending the color gently with the transition color from the outer corner, taking it to the inner corner. Next, I have taken my kajal and I am blocking my outer corner on the parallel of the tape I have fixed, and I am making a line from the outer corner of my lid, and I am making the line towards my inner corner, and I am creating my crease line with this. Just create the crease line and block the outer corner with the kajal. And next, I have again taken my black color from my MAC palette, and I am blending the black eyeshadow with the kajal I have applied with a fluffy brush. And now I have taken my concealer to cut the crease, and with the help of the flat brush I am gently cutting my crease, and I am cutting the crease way upper than my natural crease line. Take your time, first just mark it on the middle of the crease line, and then mark the outer corner and the inner corner of the crease line, and then fill up the rest of the space. And now I am applying the glitter glue. I have taken the glue with the pointed brush, and first I am putting it on the crease line I have created. First I am going to cover the outer corner of the crease line I have created, and then I am going to fill the rest of the portion. And now I have taken very bright golden glitter shadow. With the help of a flat brush, I am taking it and gently applying it on my lid, on the glue, and the glue is sticking up with the glitter. So be a little bit patient and take it gently. I always appreciate to take time and then apply glitters, because glitters are very much sensitive. The beautiful they are, the sensitive they are as well. So always be very much conscious and careful while applying the glitter. And you can see, with the help of the flat brush, gently I am pressing the glitter on the glue and sticking it up, and I am filling the lid portion. Okay, and then I am taking a metal color glitter, and I am going to put it on the outer corner of my lid to make it a little bit darker. Next, I am applying my eyeliner. I am using a liquid eyeliner from Lakme, and as usual I am creating a winged eyeliner look. I am taking it a little bit out of the inner corner, and now I am removing my tape, and I am applying my kajal. After that, I have taken the dark shadow, and then the black eyeshadow I have already applied on this look previously. I have taken that with a fluffy brush, and I am blending the color under my lower lash line. And now with a bright color from my MAC palette, it's a bright white silvery kind of color. I'm highlighting my inner corner. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you like it, please try it on yourself and send me your photos. If you have any requests, please let me know, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you.
এইরকম করবে
মানে এরকম আর কি এর মধ্যে
মানে এইভাবে করবে না এই অ্যাঙ্গেলে করবে? আমি ওই দুটো বলতে চাই। তুমি নিচে দেখে করবে?
নিচে করে এরকম এরকম এরকম
আমি
this look can be, you can try it on any wedding party or as well as any club party as well, or in date. And if you have any other request, please let me know.